Hello, everyone. My name is Enrique Juan, and I'm your composition and rhetoric professor. Um, Let me tell you a little bit about my background. I have a BA in North American Literature. I have a BA in Hispanic Literature, one National Endowment for the Humanities in Philosophy from the University of California in Santa Barbara, and I have a master's degree from USFQ. I've been teaching composition and rhetoric for a good many years, more than 15 years already. And I've been teaching composition and rhetoric online for more than 10 years already too. I think I started teaching online in 2015, and so I've been doing this for many years now. So you all know composition and rhetoric is not an ESL course, as some of you usually call it. Composition and rhetoric is a separate course. It's a writing class, which is the English language requirement from the university. Our class, since it's a writing class, is a class that relies heavily on process, and it's important that you pay attention to the connection between activities here. Everything we do in week 1 and 2 and 3 is connected to the remaining weeks. So it's important that you approach the class as a single unit, not and approach the exercises in their interconnection, because otherwise you won't be able to see the big picture. The first activity that we have for today, and I'm encouraging you to do this before Thursday, is to record a presentation video. I need to have a video. I need to see your faces. I need to hear your voices, because this class, as you all know, is an online class. So I need to have a face. I need to think of who you are visually when I get an email. So this is very important. So the first activity now is recording a personal introduction video, and I'm asking you to pay attention to your group partners. You have I arranged the class in 5 or 4 groups, the 2 courses that I'm teaching right now, and you need to find your partners in the news section. Go to the homepage of your course, and then you'll see in the news wall, you see that there are group arrangements. So find your group and record your video, and be attentive to what your partners post during the course of the week. It's important that you also listen to the presentation of your partners, and then start getting in touch as early as you can, because you're going to be in touch all during these 8 weeks. We only have one group activity that is planned for week number 6, but before, we're doing and completing some exercises that are going to require from you to be in touch with your partners. Without much ado now, I would like to welcome you to my class, and if you have a question, please don't hesitate to ask it. And also, if you have a question about the syllabus after you record your introductory video, I would like you to post the question as well. So great to have you here, and I'm sure we're going to have a great time together this summer.